Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can close the application on your iPhone if you do not have the home button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write comments, put your likes, and let's get to the video. So, this method will work on iPhone 11, 13, 14, and 15. If you don't have the home button at the bottom, then there's another method of how you can close an app that you have open on your iPhone. The method is actually very simple. To do this, you will need to swipe your finger up from the very bottom of the screen. Like this. And then you'll have all the open tabs on your phone. So you can switch between them. For example, if you want to go to one tab and then go to another tab, swipe up and go to some other tab. You can close these tabs one at a time just by swiping the tab up with your finger. It's like this. You can also do it with multiple fingers at once. For example, if you have two tabs, you can take two fingers and swipe up to close more than one app at a time, or you can use 3 fingers if you're comfortable with that. I prefer to always close one tab at a time. It takes very little time, literally a few seconds, and more than 10 tabs are already closed. That's the simple way you can close an app on your iPhone. I hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, also write your comments, and see you soon, friends.